You told us what you wanted. We listened. And we now present the Royal Resorts Signature Club. Introducing the Royal Resorts Signature Club. This is a flexible use and benefit program that includes Signature Flexibility, Signature Lifestyle Collection, Signature Exchange, Club Resort and Destination Benefits. Depending on your needs and preferences, you choose the type of membership you like, which could include one or all of these benefits. Signature Flexibility, a flexible use program that gives the control to you. Every year, you get to choose your fixed week as always, or venture out to other Royal Resort properties with flexibility. Any resort, any unit, any size, any location, any season, any length of stay, anything you want. Signature Lifestyle Collection, a revolutionary tool developed specifically for Royal Resort members to easily pay their club service fees and other Royal Resort purchases. This easy-to-use one-stop shopping portal offers tens of thousands of travel, leisure, and lifestyle products that you use every day. With best price guarantee, generous cashback rewards, and the ability to harness the buying power of your friends and family, this program is truly one of a kind. Trust us, you're going to love this. Signature Exchange. As an included member of the world's largest vacation exchange program, RCI, you'll have access to more than 4,000 resorts in 100 countries, all within your reach. Club Resort and Destination Benefits. As Signature Club members, you'll receive a collection of Club Resort and Destination privileges that enhance your vacation experience. Welcome to Royal Resorts Signature Club. We can't wait to show you how we are revolutionizing the way you live and play.